Hello everyone, I am Asaduzzaman from Wichita State University. The title of my poster is Geospatial Cyber Infrastructure for Regional Economic Growth and Sustainability. In this short presentation, I'm going to give the highlight of the research work that we have done. In this research, we test a hypothesis that the number of cars at nearby intersections that impact the profit of the local business entities. The system that we simulate, each intersection is equipped with cameras and IoT devices, and edge computing is used to do local computation. A number of intersections belongs to a fog for fog computing, and a number of fogs that covers the entire city are connected to the cloud that has the central databases, and fog has a local data portal. The local business entities will get the information that can be the traffic information or some other information from the fog. Now, to evaluate our hypothesis, we used some synthetic data that shows the sale per car for a local gas station and a fast food store. And what we see based on the simulation result is the vehicular traffic information that helps make better profit. Now, this research work is aimed to provide tools for real-time spatial data analytics to support effective decision making, to broaden application uses and users, and to advance economic growth and sustainability. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.